long as I keep dancing. Baby, I don't need love to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need love to have fun tonight. I don't need money as long as I can feel the beat. I don't need money as long as I keep dancing. If anyone is wondering why is this speaker here not flashing like this one, the reason is I unplugged the light for this one from the amplifier because I unplugged it because right here the cable for the lights is ripped. I unplugged it because I don't want to burn the amplifier. Like if these cables touch together, then I could burn something in the amplifier. So I unplugged this light and this is the only one playing now, the light. But yes, both speakers, this one and this one, both are playing music. Although this one here isn't flashing, but still I get music, so I'm happy. Anyway, about the Panasonic, I fucking killed it. What do I mean by that is I plugged it to an outlet which was sagging outside the wall. Like say this outlet, it was outside the wall, an outlet in the kitchen, not this one. It was all going good for a bit until I plugged in my laptop and this thing randomly shut down. When I tried to turn it back on, it turned on for a bit, then it shut down. Then smoke came here from the left vent, whatever. And yeah, it doesn't turn on, so it's dead. Well, it's not like fully dead. There is a capacitor inside which burned, but still, I can't use it. So yeah, this thing is killed. Yeah, and I didn't mean to do that on purpose. I just wanted to listen to music at that time. I didn't have my Sony Shake because I didn't have enough space to put it around like something. So yeah, this thing is dead. So I have this remaining. Yay. Anyway, bye. And about my phone, it's still dead. Yay. Anyway, bye.